What's the meaning of cancellation? Cancellation. Cancellation.
Cancellation. Cancellation. Cancellation refers to the act of revoking or terminating a pre-existing agreement, contract, or event. It can happen due to various reasons like non-compliance with agreed terms, mutual consent of the parties involved, or unforeseen circumstances that make it impossible to continue with the agreement. The result of cancellation may vary depending on the nature of the agreement, but it usually leads to the termination of all obligations and responsibilities of the parties involved. Upon cancellation, both parties are free from any further commitments, while any advances or payments made during the agreement would be settled accordingly.